there, welcome to the intro session of Ningbo Berrific. Our headline is Savor the Moment, Season with Berrific Fun. Ningbo Berrific Manufacturing and Trading Company is a leading manufacturer and supplier of premium cookware components, specializing in tempered glass lids, silicone glass lids, cookware handles, knobs, and stainless steel induction base plates. With over a decade of experience, we have firmly established ourselves as a dependable and trusted name within the industry. At Ningbo Berrific, we are dedicated to catering to the unique needs of our customers and aspire to not only meet but also exceed their expectations. Why choose us then? First of all, our company boasts an expansive facility spanning 12,000 square meters, outfitted with 5 state-of-the-art, highly automated production lines. This cutting-edge infrastructure empowers us with an impressive daily production capacity of 40,000 units. Secondly, we take great pride in our extensive global reach, catering to more than 15 countries across the world. Our strategic proximity to Ningbo Port affords us a distinct advantage in facilitating efficient product exports. Additionally, our dedicated quality control team, comprising 20 highly proficient professionals, meticulously scrutinizes every product to uphold these exacting standards. Despite our resolute commitment to quality, we strategically engage with multiple suppliers to secure more favorable procurement terms. This strategic advantage is instrumental in enabling us to offer competitively priced products. If you want to find out more information, please check out our website. Thank you for the watching.